Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the weekly review for the stock NIO and NKLA. We are going to look at their chart and see whether this stock is a buy or a sell or a hold for this week. So we are doing this video on weekly basis, so we continue to do it in coming weeks. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are recorded there, and please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing many videos on many stocks in coming days and weeks. So let's start with the chart of the stock NIO, and let's start with the website. This is the tracker. I will put the tracker link in the description section. You can check it out anytime you want. So it was a buy when we added to the tracker on 7/31, when the entry price was $11.94, and as of this week it's closed around $13.42 and posting well over 12% gains. And the stop loss was around 10.98, which was never in danger because this stock closed always above that price. So let's look at this chart. So here is a chart for you. It was added to the tracker as it's cleared this consolidation, and as of now it's well over its buy point, but this stock has now some more potential to go. So I would say still the stock is a buy if you guys want. So but it's a little extended, but it's not that bad. So there's an exception, so you can start with a small buy and you can keep on adding it if it makes some gains. So before we look at the call, let's look at the little bit profit to loss projection here on the website. So this stock is we are expecting this stock should post 5% gain by August 21st, but it's almost posted 12% gain since then when it's added to the tracker. So we are safe there. So it should post almost 20% gains by October 23rd. So let's look at some calls for this date. So if you guys are into options, I would now consider that October 14th, $14 call. That looks a little bit attractive. So probably it might gain a little bit traction from here. And you can look at the volume. The volume is also around 500 contracts are out there. So it was almost 83 contracts are out there. So this one almost have 1K, and this is almost have 675. So I don't go for the 15, but you can now look at the 14 or the 15 is the max. Anything beyond that is it is a very volatile stock. So something you can look at some October calls for this guy. So let's switch to NKLA. I know that you guys have some bad feelings about this stock. I know this stock is very hyper, but it was added to the tracker today, so hopefully it can rally from here. So the entry point, I think that 36.72 is the entry point, and the maximum buying price would be 38.56, and the stop loss is around 33.78. So let's look at its chart. So it is added to the tracker because it's found support at this line last week, and this week it reported the earning. It was up and down, but it's closed in green and looks like the stock is bottomed out for now. So that is the reason I believe this is a buy, and it might now add a little bit more price gain from this point onwards. So let's see its last profit projection. So if you scroll down a little bit on the tracker, here is a profit loss projection for you. So if it is post 8% loss, 33.78, at any time it will be closed. This is a very hyper and volatile stock. So if you want to give a little bit more room, like 10 or 12%, that's fine. So it should post at least 5% gain by August 28th and 20% gain by October 30th. So let's look at some call for October 30th because it is, it's kind of out there. So if you're looking at some calls, I would consider October 20, $40 call or the 45. I don't go any beyond that. So that is a reasonable price to achieve. So, and that's what I would say. But you guys do your own analysis. But the 40 and 45 call looks a little bit attractive. So if the stocks goes down from this point, but you can always sell it. But if you want into options, you can consider the October 20th 40 and 45 calls. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you guys for watching this video. So at this week, NIO and NKLA is a buy, and please check out our website. I will put the tracker link in the description section so you can check it out whenever you want. Please check out all our social media sites. We love to see you guys there, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. And this is Raja, and have a great weekend.